So let's get started with class today. And by the way, I want to thank all of you for listening today. Those are all the answers to the test next Tuesday. So thanks for paying attention to that here in the class. I hope everybody online got all the answers to the test. No, I'm only kidding. It's just the Tuesday morning joke. There were no answers to the test. The test will be next Tuesday. You will not be showing up to class on that day. So the sequence of things today is I have the Week 2, Module 1 assignment up here for cognitive neuroscience. It's just very brief because the idea is you take the notes and you learn the things. You hopefully get some information down. We'll talk about these issues. And towards the end of the class, we'll go over some administrative announcements, like the papers that you're working on. The results section. We'll talk about that. We'll talk about the fact that you do have Apple Day off. I did not know that, but we will have that day off, and so the syllabus has been changed just a little bit to reflect the fact that apples are important here in Stanton, and somebody from Roanoke wouldn't generally know that. So, with that being stated, I wanted to put out actually the first situation here, and for people in the class, we'll actually have you get together for just a minute or two with your neighbor, and actually maybe we can even do this as let's do this as a neighborly kind of thing here. So chat with your neighbor about, I've got an equation up there, and I don't think it has the equal sign for the other group, but can anybody tell me what the answer is to Roman numeral number 1 there? It says Cognitive Neuroscience Week 2, and for the online class I've got 25 plus 75, and then there's an equal sign. I don't think the equals was there, but I added it in. What's the answer to that? 100. So what I would like you to do is get in little teams here and chat with your partner for just a couple of minutes and tell me all the steps necessary that you think you had to do to solve that problem. So see if you can map up some steps. I'll give you 2 or 3 minutes to do this. We'll cut off the acoustics for the 2 or 3 minutes and see if we can start again. But all the steps necessary to do what that problem is.